morning, everybody. So as you can see behind me, I have this town hall. I just went and paid car taxes or excise taxes, and we have a special guest. Are you saying hi to the camera? Hi. He wanted to be with me today. I have to unlock my car because with him in the car, someone might steal him, or he might unlock the car by accident. So that's why. So what we are doing today, it's supposed to snow. It's supposed to rain. So I figured I would take him for a ride, and we were gonna, oh, I'm not even talking to the camera. We were gonna try to walk and stuff, but we'll see. I have to mail out 2 things, and then I was gonna go to Walmart and get my fishing license, and then walk the dog. So we'll see what happens. Depends on the weather. This is what the sky looks like right now. Like gray. Whatever. That building's cool. That's the Millicent Library. It's like haunted. So yes. Oh, and can you see it? I need gas. So, Papa, what do you think? KK. He's too busy staring at the people coming out of the thing. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna get gas, and we're gonna see you at our next destination. Guys, Mother Nature is on her freaking period. Like, it was snowing. It's really, really cold, windy, and rainy, and it's just a mess. Also, I just want to say happy birthday to my best friend. If you watch this, I hope. So if you all don't know, it's my best friend's birthday, Natasha. So I'm about to go pick her up, and we're gonna go do some birthday shenanigans, and this is gonna be her day. So I will see you guys when I pick her up.
Hey guys, today is my birthday.
And what are we doing? Driving around like an idiot.
We're driving around to find food, but everything has a wait.
Because it's Friday at 6
Because it's Friday. Yeah, like at 6.
Yeah! Why don't we ever drive in? That would be so great. I was actually supposed to be born on the 10th.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But so damn, you were 6 days late.
I was 6 days late. But if I wasn't 6 days late, I wouldn't be here right now. We're at Friendly's. Because you know I come here like all the freaking time. And we're gonna go eat, so I will see you guys after. I'm wobbly.
Wobbly.
I'm about to bring her home. We're just leaving Strikers Club. I don't know if you can see it. I hurt myself. I can't sit on bar stools with my legs spread. So did you have a fun birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah. It wasn't much, though. Oh, I'm gonna get run over.
Don't run me over.
My God, my fucking leg hurts so bad.
You're only sitting on a stool.
I know. I can't control my bones. Say hi, KK. So, we're in the car again. Whoa. And, it is 11:15. You see that? And it just literally started downpouring. I couldn't have gotten timed that any better. Like, look. Can you see it rain? So what me and Chaos, hey, what do you got back there? What me and Chaos are going to do today, well, we're gonna go see if we can get them microchipped for $7. Yes, that's right, you heard me, $7. The pet store that I go to has a vet that's there every Monday. And if I'm a member of the store, I believe, then I get the microchip for $7. And I think it's like $63 or something usually or something. So we're gonna go see if he can actually get it. We don't know if he needs any vet work, paperwork, or anything like that. But I mean, he has his tags and his rabies and stuff, so he should be good. If not, we'll have to get paperwork and see. But I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with us. And then after this, me and Tasha are gonna go bowling and do stuff, because it's like really shitty out on my birthday. Like, it's the worst. It's never, ever, ever, like, as far as I know, it has not been a good day on my birthday, except for when I went to Florida when I was 13, and there was that like church shooting and stuff down there. But yeah, but we're gonna head on over to the store and see if we can get this thing done. All right, I'll see you guys there. What's up, everybody?
Why are you vlogging at the wrong time?
This is the perfect time to vlog.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to do something.
Yeah. Yes, girl, yes. We're sitting in my work parking lot because this numbnut had to get 4 cantaloupes.
It's not for me. I don't like cantaloupes. Hold on, my sleeve's
It's not cantaloupes, they're melon. And we just came to visit my friend. Right? Now we're gonna go home and do absolutely nothing, probably. It's like 4 o'clock. The broom. I really, you know what we can do? Okay, so I'm gonna do this now. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, guys, you know I have a husky, and his leash that we have now, it's a brand new leash. I ordered it. I got a discount because this company reached out to me to be a brand ambassador. So I had contacted them by email. I have a 15% off discount code for you guys to publicly use. And I'm going to do a review video on it. So that video will be coming out soon. Hopefully when the weather gets nicer, because I still have to actually film it. But I can't film it if it's raining and crappy. So, keep a lookout for that video. And what else? My arm's getting tired. You talk to the camera. You're so close to my face.
I don't know what to talk about.
Talk about your birthday.
For my birthday, which was like on a Friday, we just basically like went out to eat, and then like I went to the mall with my friend and stuff like that. And then today is Alexis's birthday, but it's like literally crappy out. Like, look, it's all crappy. But
it's really hard to
we went to Taco Bell, so we did that. We're not really able to do much else, again, because it's crappy. So we went to her job, and I had to pick up like 4 cantaloupes.
Oh my goodness.
Not really much going on today.
Well, we can't drive in this weather.
Yeah, it's like really foggy, really rainy. It's like a rainstorm or something.
Well, right now it just started pouring, and it's all like misty and foggy, and no one has their lights on.
Yeah, there's like a bunch of people that don't have their lights on, but whatever, that's their problem.
Why did we go to my work?
To visit some of our friends that are working right now.
They all said happy birthday to me and put me on the spot.
Yeah,
How
they
cute.
sang happy birthday. Should have got that on video.
We should have. I left the camera in the truck though, because, yeah. They all sang happy birthday to me. Kind of. Not like the full happy birthday song, but they were just like, happy birthday! I love my crew.
They're all like a family.
Especially, oh shit. Oh shit.
What?
Nah.
Whoa.
Fuck.
That freaking truck though. Jesus. Look at all that mist. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there was like a ton of mist behind that truck.
And this is like a narrow street. And
there's a ton of mist behind the cars too, so it's like kind of a bad rainstorm. Yeah, I think I know.
Look at this rain right now. Like,
look at all this rain. Jeez. Can't even see.
This is why we're not going on the highway, because of this rain right now.
It's gonna be nice tomorrow.
My wipers, I don't even know if they can hear. I feel like I'm yelling. My wipers are on like all the way high, and it's still like I can't see.
Yeah, look how fast they're going.
Like I can't see driving, so. The deal with this storm that we're driving in. Oh, fuck off. Ah!
Whoa, whoa. There's that rain again.
That guy screwed me up.
Jeez. It like went white for a second.
I can't see.
Watch, it's like going white. Yeah, like we legit cannot see right now. Can only see a little bit. Jesus, rain.
I've never driven in such intense rain before either.
Really? No?
Yeah, I've never driven in rain like this. So, if I decide to keep some of this car section in the video, this is all real reactions, I guess, right?
Why would we fake our reactions?
I don't know, to get views.
Trust me, guys, we're not faking these reactions. This really is like a freaking rainstorm, so
Scary as fuck. Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the video. I got my baby back. If you guys don't know, probably don't know because I didn't record it. I had to send it in to get fixed. All new spark plugs and coils and whatnot. So I had my aunt's Chrysler 300 for an entire week. Now, I still sound a little funny. I'm still kind of sick. And, there's the husky. Your daily dose of chaos. It's nice out today. I'm falling in a hole. It's 1:30. I have to be at work at 2:30. I also have to go to CVS to get him some medicine and then head off to work. If anything interesting happens, probably not, because I don't really want to film at work, but like if we go get coladas, if I go get coladas or something, I will show you guys since it is nice, I am gonna start to try to vlog more and stuff, since I'll be outside. Like, this yard is a mess. It's gotta be cleaned. So yeah, I'm just gonna let him sit outside for a couple minutes, and then I sound weird. I sound weird to myself because this ear, yesterday I woke up and it was like excruciating pain, like all the way here, and it was like really swollen, and I went home and iced it. So I'm not entirely sure. I put drops in too, but I'm not sure if I did rupture my eardrum or something. So I have a doctor's appointment on Tuesday morning to see. So hope you all enjoy the video. We'll see you when I'm driving, or gonna get ready to drive. We'll see if we can hear anything while I'm driving, because I can't. So I need you guys to tell me. Alright, I'll see you in a second. Well, see that? Editing magic. We are in the car now. I have to get adjusted. So let's start it up and see. Ready? No seatbelt light. No engine light. Windshield wipers are on though. Go down. She feels perfect. I'm so happy. That was weird. That felt weird. So now it is 20 of. I'm gonna try to run to CVS real quick to get my dad's medicine, and then head off to work. Yeah, I'm so used to driving my aunt's car for the week. Like, I forgot where everything is. Hopefully, as well, the bridge. Oh, a yard sale sign. The bridge will be open in 2 days. It's supposed to be. These people running by just screwed me up. See them? They just screwed me up. So there's a lot of traffic on our street right now due to the bridge being closed all week. So that's just something you gotta deal with when you live on a main street, I guess. My hair looking lighter, y'all. Let me know down in the comments below. I got some hair lightening stuff, so I'm so not used to this truck. I'm so not used to it. But at least I know I can drive different vehicles. Well, I kind of always could, because I did for the week. But this thing feels so smooth. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Hopefully, I'll have this car for like 7 more years. Because literally, it's in that good of a condition. I got one owner. I do need an oil change though. I'll probably do that the next time I have off or work later in the day or something. I'll do that. So, yeah. Enjoy the ride, I guess, if I even show it. I also kind of need to get gas. Gas is like, what is it? 187. 187 for gas. Here. Hopefully this place isn't packed. I also have to mail a letter, but I'll do that at work. It's more convenient, so I don't have to get out because I'm lazy. boy. Okay, well, I'll be sitting here for quite some time. I mean, I have like 17 minutes. So, I guess a good time. I'll see you guys soon. Now we are done at CVS. My seatbelt is currently behind me because I needed to reach to get like through the window. So now I'm on my way to work and I'm kind of hungry. They didn't even tell me what medicine it was either, and my dad was like, oh, let me know what medicine's there. I couldn't even do that because they didn't tell me. I'll have to look. Alright. Time to go. Let's see, I have like a paint night May 5th. I don't know if we're going. Tomorrow is the deadline to know for sure because only 8 people are going. That's what I was told. So, I have that. And then May 11th, I'm going to see Hailstorm. Hopefully, if my friend gets the tickets, we're gonna go see them. I'm super excited because I love Hailstorm. I'm actually listening to Hailstorm right now. I turned it down so I don't get copyright, but the song that you heard in the beginning or whatever, I'm sure I'll leave some of it in there. That's Hailstorm. That's like one of my favorite bands. And there's like a bunch of other bands going, but I haven't really heard of them. So they're probably like, well, so we're going to Lowell, I think. Yeah. So that's happening. And then May 19th, what else is happening? Oh, the Green Sneaker Run. This guy. This guy's going like 100 miles an hour. He's not even from around here. Anyways, May 19th, the Green Sneaker Run. It is gonna be the 4th annual event, I believe. I think it's the 4th. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. So I'm gonna be there and filming, of course, like I did last year. So if you haven't gone to see that video from last year, go check it out. I'm getting more and more comfortable with filming, but I don't want to film it the same way. So guys, this is what I'm doing today at work. I'm in the service desk, so I was able to bring the camera for a little bit, and I don't have any customers right now. So I'm just doing these tags, so I just figured I would show you what I'm doing. So you see me driving right now. It's because I don't know if you can see him. It's not focused. Focus. Whatever. I went and got culottes for me and my friend. Cause I'm awesome. So, and she's probably gonna watch this video because she says she's my biggest fan. But who knows? I really don't. So I'm just headed back to work. Like, literally, the greatest perk about working where I work, you know I work at Shaw's, but the location, there's literally a Dunkin' Donuts like 2 minutes up the road. And so, we all pretty much like to go to get Dunkin's. We like to get culottes and stuff, so it's awesome. Hey, I didn't still lose my spot. Sweet. So, and our breaks, we get like 15-minute breaks. That's all I need. So yeah, I'm back here. I'm gonna go in, give this to her, and enjoy the rest of my break. So, yeah, I also had a headache, so. Alright, I'll see you guys later.